Spreedly, as Wade said, allows us to connect to all the different service providers, all the different gateways, I should say. Inside Business Central, which is the product demo system, right? So I can literally switch to Authorize.net or Braintree, or Moneris, WorldPay, Priority, PayTrace, right? Any of these at any point in time, if somebody wanted me to demo that specific gateway. We have this button, what we call the outer ellipse button. And what this allows you to do is take the credit card securely. And so this is the same hosted payment page that you're familiar with. This is Spreedly's version of it. And so you're taking payment securely. You can also take banking information instead. So, this will do a ACH direct debit. The two primary functions we provide is authorize and capture. So I'll go ahead and authorize. We'll pretend that the customer is ready to ship the product. So they're making sure that the card is still valid. Maybe they collected the card 6 months ago, something to that effect. Then accounting comes behind you and goes and records that in the system. So that's the step I'm about to do. And it's during that step when accounting records and generates the receivable that we do the capture. This is the capture. We've charged the credit card successfully, and because we captured the funds successfully, we go ahead and in the ERP system, we record the payment. Okay, so we close the entire loop, show you a second workflow. This is more of a self-service using payment links, where we send the customer a payment link and they pay that way. Now, the way that works in Business Central is that in Business Central, usually what a customer does is they use this email feature to send the invoice to the customer. Now, so here's the invoice that we sent the customer, and it has this Pay Now button on it. When the customer receives it, they're gonna click on, so they click on the pay button. They can add a bank account or a credit card, also pay for other invoices at the same time. Again, in my example, I'm just gonna pay the one we sent. If we go back to Business Central, you'll see that this is the invoice or the receivable entry in the system, and that the remaining amount is 0 because we processed.